Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to attach a DMG file to your email on Microsoft Outlook in the year 2026 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Outlook, as well as a DMG file. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go directly to Microsoft Outlook. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to top left corner. Increase the size of the email window. Let's now select the recipient, which will be Rayhan at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Subject will be DMG file. Let's now go within the email and type DSCSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached DMG file as per your request. Let's now go to a brand new desktop. Locate the DMG file that is on the desktop. Here we have it. Messenger 401.dmg, 4.3 MB in size. Let's go back to the email window. Go to Insert. Attach files, browse this computer. This should take us directly to the desktop where we have messenger41.dmg. Click on this, open. And that should have now uploaded to the email itself. Let's now end the email via kind regards. Admin. Let's now click on send. And that email itself has now been sent. Let's now navigate to the sent items. Go to that sent email, which is DMG file, DSCSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached DMG file as per your request. Kind regards, admin. We can also, if we needed to, save that DMG file to OneDrive. We can copy this or we can download this, but that's all for another tutorial in the near future. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.